हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम टू द चैनल इजी फिजिक्स। आई एम डॉक्टर मनोज, MD रेडियो एंड MD pediatrics, and physics is my hobby and interest subject. Now today we will discuss the collision in of two bodies in single line. Let's suppose a mass m1, initial velocity u1, mass m2, initial velocity u2, mass and the final velocity after collision v1 and v2 of the m second object. Using the law of conservation of momentum and conservation of energy, initial momentum m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2, and by rearranging them, m1 comes out u1 minus u2, m2 v2 minus v1, you will see. Now this is our first equation. Now the law of conservation of energy, similarly half m1 u1 square initial energy is equal to final energy. Rearranging them, m1 come out, this is a u1 square minus v1 square. This is the equation 2. This is equation 2. Now dividing 2 by 1, dividing equation 2 by 1, m1 से m कट जाएगा. This u1 plus v1 is equal to v2 plus u2. Now the and v2 is equal to u1 plus v2 is equal to u1 plus this is v2 is equal to u1 plus v1 minus u2, and putting this v2 in equation 1, in first equation m1 u1 plus m2 u2, इनिशियल सबसे पहले वाली इक्वेशन में m1 v1 प्लस m2 v2 की जगह हम रख देंगे u1 प्लस v1 माइनस u2, and after rearranging and solving them we will get v1 m1 plus m2 v1, and finally this v1 is equal to u1 m1 minus m2 m1 plus m2 u2 2m2 m1 and m1 plus m2. This is the velocity, final velocity after collision of body 1, and changing 1 into 2 we will get the velocity of second object after collision. So v2 is equal to u2 m2 minus m1 m1 plus m2 u1 की जगह u2 1 u2 की जगह u1 2 m1 m1 plus m2. So this is the important equation and derivation. Final velocity after collision of first object, final velocity of second object after collision. This is the important derivation. You can see, you can easily see and see.